Alright, so question 4 is about the inequality. So first of all, we solve the question A. We have 4x plus 1 divided by 5. And now, this is, as what I said before, I don't like the integer and the fractions stay together. So I need to move the integer to the right hand side, becomes minus. So it's greater than x minus 3. In the next part, I don't want this divided by 5. I don't like a fraction. This is divided by 5. Moving to the right, it becomes times. So I have 4x plus 1 is greater than 5 times the whole right-hand side. So I use a bracket to emphasize that. And then now I need to expand the bracket. So I have 5x minus 15. And the rest, I just need to copy that down. And the next step is going to group the similar terms. So there's a 4x, there's a 5x. But 5x is on the right-hand side. To move it to the left, then to change the positive becomes negative. So 4x and then minus 5x. And then it's greater than, I copied the rest, we have the negative 15. But be careful, they still have plus 1. The plus 1 is not a friend with the x, so it cannot stay on the left-hand side. Move it to the right, it becomes minus 1. And then the next part, we have 4x minus 5x, giving you negative x is greater than negative 16. And now you need to think about, I don't want a negative, isn't it? So you divide by negative on the both sides. When you divide by negative, you need to swap the sign from greater to smaller. So the answer is going to be x smaller than 16. So remember that if we divide by the negative, we need to swap the sign. That's for your part A. And then for part B is a compound inequality, and it is connected by and. So and just means that the overlapped area, or we can just say the two arrows part, or we can find out the two arrows parts. So this one I have done in part A, and we just need to concentrate on 2x plus 2 greater or equal to 9. So we have 2x is greater or equal to 7, and then x is greater than 7 over by 2. So this is equal to 3.5. Okay, then we need to draw the diagrams. So we have this is 3.5, this is 16. Because 3.5 is smaller, so it's on the left, 16 is larger, it's on the right. We need to think about that here. So I'm going to greater than 3.5, so it's going to the right. Then we can draw it, and with a hollow circle, I mean a solid circle, because we're including this 3.5. And for 16 is smaller, you see this one is going to the left. Then we can go to the left. Then we find the two arrows part is going to be in the middle part. This is the middle part, then we can say that. Then we run the middle part. So we have 3.5 smaller or equal to x, smaller than 16. But the question is asking how many integers that satisfy this inequalities, isn't it? Then we try to count it together. So 3.5, we doesn't include it because it's not an integer. The next integer satisfied is going to be 4. So I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. But it doesn't count for the 16, is that 16 doesn't count because it's not including the 16. Then we can count how many numbers are there. There's actually 12. So the answer should be 12.